What's up, Pigeon? Trading up the birds for our second race this weekend. It's the same distance, Northwood, Iowa. I just got to catch my 5 first. Grave digger, where you at? '92. So this is Grave Digger, one of my 5 for the classic. She's the only one that came back to first race. She took first in the club. 135.56. Yep, so this is one of our classic bird. 135.56. It is molten a little bit, but should be good. Bird number 2. Perfect. This is what I need too. Here's our 3rd classic bird. 135.79. It's like a cock. Nice one. This is wild. 135.67. This is our 4th classic bird. This guy got demoted. This is 135.60. It was in the classic team last week, but showed up second day. So 135.60. It's flying the open this week. So 135.72. Here's our final classic bird. Johnson Bird's kid. Beauty. So hopefully he does good. Get promoted up since we lost 3 of the classic birds last week. So.